The TRUMPF Open House happens on the 4th, 5th and 6th of June. I'm here at their HQ in Luton to find out exactly what's going to be happening at the event.
This year at the Open House we have 3 UK debut machines. The first machine is the TruLaser 5000, featuring the TruDisc 10 kilowatt and the active speed control function. The active speed control function is a sensor that looks into the cutting process and adjusts the speed automatically to account for any variables in the materials like surface rust or material quality. Secondly, we then have the TruLaser 3000, featuring the 8 kilowatt TruDisc and the LiftMaster Compact and Part Master, which is TRUMPF's solution to loading and unloading and part separation. And lastly, we have the TruBend 7000 series, which is TRUMPF's high production small press brake. It features higher dynamics, and all machines feature the new touchpoint controller from TRUMPF.
We're going to have 3 days full of new TRUMPF technologies and innovations. And furthermore, we have experts from TRUMPF Germany and TRUMPF Austria. As well, we have some presentations from our experts about the new laser cutting machine, about TRUMPF finance solution with our TRUMPF bank, and we have special show offers just at the open house. So for everybody, it's something they can discover.
So from the software perspective, we'll be showing our TruTops Boost and TechZone Bend programming software, as well as our TruTops Fab modular production software, but we'd really like to emphasise the release of smart services. So for smart services, we'd like to add added value to the customer's process chain through connection and transparency. We'll be focusing on 6 main areas, most of which reside within the customer experience platform, such as TRUMPF Service App, the Easy Order app and the Download Centre. We'll also be focusing on part design and remote services.
Getting here is really easy. So it's near the Luton airport. So it's easy by train, it's easy by car from just next to the M1. It's from the 4th to the 6th of June, and it's always between 10 and 4 p.m.